So this video will show you how to implement translations into your Astro site as of September of 2024. The documentation is incredibly confusing with this, and I didn't know how to do it. I didn't find any resources on the internet. This is how I am doing it. I don't know if this is the best way. I don't know if I recommend this way, but I know that you can create something that works if you do it this way. So you'll see here I just put together a generic site here, 2 pages, the home page and the about page. Very, very simple. And I also have a language switcher here. So you see the URL is just blank / about. And over here, say we want a bilingual site with Spanish and English. So we'll go to the Spanish one, and it will have the URL suffixed with /es for Espanol. And we have all of this boilerplate text that is translated. And please excuse the poor translations. It was just Google Translate. And you'll see here that all of the URLs are suffixed or are prefixed with this ES here. So how do you actually do this? Well, the way I've done it is with this package you can install, Astro-i18n-aut. You can just, if you want to install that, mgmi and the name of the package, as well as this sitemap thing you will probably need. This was basically an example that I copied and pasted and changed. So you define your locales, so English and Spanish here with your default, and basically just copy in all this stuff. So then I have layouts and pages. So I'll show you the layout that has all of our header stuff. This is using Bootstrap. And basically what you do is you import get locale and get that from the URL. And then down here, you'll define all your page content. So for example, you have a link to the about page. You would change that in this switch block. You define the variable and then set it very simple. There's probably a better way of doing it than just all in this Astro file, but that's how I've done it. It works. So the about link, say about, and then the translation from Google Translate. So then if we look at how that is implemented down here in the page, go to the implementation. So in this link, you'll see, okay, we have the about link title there, and that will be based on what our locale is. And you'll see here also the link where this link is directed to. All of the links on the page have this locale first before the link itself. So like the main page doesn't have anything at the end of it, but still uses the locale. And that's how you handle the links for those. And there's just a bunch more text in here based on translations. So then if we go into our page here, very, very similar. You're just importing the layout and then using this get locale again, using the switch block and using our variables within here, within our layout. And then the one last piece in here, I put in a little language switcher, which is down here. And some of this is hard-coded. There's probably a better way of doing this. But basically got the locale and then basically the current language. And then I manually hard-coded each of the items into the dropdown with a hard-coded locale on the URL string. Pretty simple stuff. But I just didn't see any videos on the internet of how to do this. This is a way that works. Don't know if it's the best way, but it'll work for you. Thanks for watching.